guys, welcome back to my channel. Chelsea here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, girl. Okay, make sure that you subscribe so that you won't miss a glam video from your girl, a vlog. I do lifestyle content as well, so if that sounds like something you're interested in watching, then you're at the perfect place. Okay, yeah, so let's just go ahead and get into this winter makeup look. We did that. Okay, it's giving what it needs to give, per usual. Today we're going to be doing a winter makeup tutorial for, well, y'all already know my go-to look, but my makeup routine for winter. So, you know, with the new season, it's always time to just change up your makeup routine. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to show you guys my winter makeup routine. It's similar to what I always do, but it's a little bit more moisture involved. If you're interested in seeing that, then just stay tuned because, yeah, we're gonna be doing our winter makeup look today. I did already start off on my brows. Like, I just did like a quick little outline so that I wouldn't have too much work to do, because you know, brows take a long time, girl. Like, they take a long time. I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape to clean up the brows. Brows are pretty much cleaned up. You guys know I like to finish up my brows like as the look goes on. Tell me some of your favorite winter products to use in your makeup routine. I want to know. Okay, what are you using, girl, for your makeup, for your winter makeup looks? You know, I go back and forth between my primers, but lately it's been cold, and so I don't want my face to feel just super dry, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Just taking my all-nighter face primer by Urban Decay. Love this stuff. I also like the Milk Hydro Grip primer. This one right here, I have the mini one sitting on my desk, but I like both of those. They work really, really well, girl. So if you're looking for like a new primer to try out, definitely try out those two because you're gonna love it. Just applying that and rubbing it into my face. But don't forget to comment some good products that you guys like to use. Can't be using the same stuff all the time. It's good to switch up. It's good to switch up your products sometimes. Like, yeah, have your staples. Like, I have my go-to products like for brows and stuff, but just like my base products, sometimes I like to switch it up. So try out the Urban Decay all-nighter primer and let me know how you like it. I want to tell you guys thank you so much on my latest video. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna leave it in the cards up here somewhere so you guys can look at that. But it's it was a vlog, and in that vlog, like I said, sometimes I do like to open up to you guys and let you know what's happening in my life. I just thank you guys for all the love and support that you guys showed on that video. I know I'm beautiful, okay, with or without makeup, okay. Period. One thing about it, two things for sure. Chelsea know that. Thank you guys so much for still just showing so much love and just reassuring me, like, girl, you beautiful. Like, people be hating, and that's just a part of the game. Like, the more I grow, I just know it's gonna be a part of it. We're just gonna say whatever sometimes, and I'm the most unproblematic person, y'all. I don't bother nobody. I mind my business. I don't be caring what somebody else has going on in their life. I really don't, because I'm really trying to focus in and lock in on my goals. So just you guys' support, it means everything. Like, do you hear me, sis? When I say it means everything, it means the world. Let me stop, because y'all know I'm a chatty Cathy, okay? Like, I can talk. But I'm gonna tell you guys about the foundation I'm gonna be using today, which is the Luminous Foundation by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Love this stuff. Very bomb. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm just going to be applying this to my face. I'm going with the luminous vibe because, like I said, this is a winter makeup routine. So I don't want to use products that are like drying or mattifying. I just want to say thank you guys for showing that love and support. Love y'all for that. And love y'all for just uplifting in the comments, okay? We need that. Like, this world is so full of drama and just so much stuff be going on. So just to see that you guys support me, it means the world, okay? It makes you realize like how much more you have to really focus in on yourself, because if you don't really know yourself and you're looking to social media for like reassurance, or just like looking to social media to just make you feel like you're that girl, like, listen, sis, you'll be disappointed. Okay, so it's so important to have that confidence within yourself, you know, to reassure yourself that you got this and that you're beautiful no matter what you do, no matter what you look like. You're beautiful. Everybody's beautiful in their own way. Watching this video, just know that you're beautiful and be confident, okay? Because you'll have people out here that their job is to try to ruin your confidence or try to make you feel like that you're not that girl or that you're not that, you know, that you're just not it. And you are. Without validation from other people, you want to be the confirmation to yourself every day. Like I journal daily, just to remind myself of who I am. And yeah, because if I don't do that and just instill that confidence within myself, like comments like that I got on that video, well, not that I got, it was only one person. That's how you know somebody was hating, because it was only one person. Hey, y'all, it's so important to have confidence and just to be self-assured without the reassurance from other people, because people will make you feel like, you know, in a world full of like this idea that Instagram has created, like what reality is, it will really have you out here thinking that you're not that girl or that you just missing something when you got everything that you need within you. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with this Tarte Shade Tape. I do have this in the shade Tan Sand. Shade Tape, like at first, this was my very first concealer when I started doing makeup. And y'all know I be doing my concealer so messy. So don't be like me, sis, okay? Don't be like me. You guys know I'm gonna be doing a giveaway very soon. I'm gonna be choosing 4 people for the giveaway. And I'm doing makeup only because I want to choose 4 people. The next time I do a giveaway, it'll probably be money or something like that. But this first giveaway, I really want to give away some makeup because number 1, it's just sitting in my closet. And then number 2, like that's what the majority of people said that they wanted was makeup. So that's what I'm going to be giving away. It will be like 3 different things that you'll have to do to enter into the giveaway. The first thing, I'm going to make sure I put the details in the description box. And then on Sunday, I'm going to leave it in the video as well so you guys can know what you need to do in order to enter. But number 1, sis, just make sure that you're following me on Instagram and also subscribe here on my channel. So it's going to be 3 different things that you need to do. You must be subscribed. There is no getting around that. Like, obviously, that's the whole point of the giveaway, is to thank you guys for subscribing. So for contour, I use the Anastasia contour stick. This is in the shade Coca. Taking my Rare Beauty contour brush, and I'm just blending that into the skin. Okay, the details will be listed in the description box, but you guys will have to be following me on Instagram and you have to be subscribed to my channel. So those are the main things that you have to do to enter into the giveaway. And then also, being that 2022 is coming up, I'm not really a New Year's resolution girl. Like, I like to go ahead and set my routines before New Year's because I feel like I never stick to it. If I say I'm gonna do something starting January 1st, baby, by January 15th, I'm done. So the things that I want to accomplish for next year, I'm putting into practice now. And I think that's like the best thing that I could do for myself that works for me, because I'm able to put it into practice. So it'll just be a habit by the time next year arrives, by the time the new year arrives. DM you on Instagram if you did win. If you don't get a DM from me, that means that you did not win this time. But enter into the next one, so you will have a chance to win that one. But that's pretty simple. I will try to get the packages out to you guys before the end of the month. That way you guys can have some goodies. So yeah, I'm gonna be picking 4 winners. Unfortunately, I don't have any foundation, y'all, because the foundation that I do get in PR, I use that for my kit for makeup. But I have plenty of other things that you guys will enjoy. I'm picking 4 winners for this giveaway. I'm picking 4 people, that way you guys can have a good chance of winning. You know, like being that it just won't be one person. So yeah. And I guess you can call this like a chit chat, get ready with me winter makeup routine, because I am chatting it up, girl. I am chatting. But for concealer, I forgot to mention that I used the Kevyn Aucoin. That's what added the brightening under the eye, because I love that brightened eye look. I know some people are not a fan of the brightened under eye. So if you're not a fan, girl, you already know what to do. Do what you want to do for your face. but this is just what I like to do. Really trying to get locked in on my goals for this upcoming year. And that's number one. I want to start getting up early. You guys know I've discussed before, I've been having trouble getting up before 8 a.m. and that's something that I want to overcome. I want to be able to get up at 7 o'clock, be up and moving and active by 7 o'clock each morning. And I just hate getting up, y'all. I hate getting up. Getting up early just is not my thing, but it's going to be my thing because I feel like in order to be as successful as I plan to be, I have to get up early. Like all the people that I know that are super successful, they set habits for themselves. They get up early, they journal, they work out, you know, they eat healthy. I feel like all of those play a big role in your success. So in order to be successful, you have to start doing things that you've never done before. So that's what we're going to do. To set my face, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Banana Bread Powder. Love this, love this, love this. Okay, this is my favorite powder ever. If you know a better powder, comment below because we love for people to drop gems over here. So if you have a better powder or a better suggestion, then comment below because I would love to know. This upcoming year is personal, okay? Personal, because I have to hit my goals. Like, y'all, I have so much I want to do, and I have to hit them. I have to hit those goals. I want to live life on my own terms. Wow. We got to bring some color back to the face, sis. I'm going to use my Black Radiance Contour Kit. You know, this is my, this is my girl. I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses brush. If you don't know, I've been using the same, not this same brush, but this same brand. This brush is by Ruby Kisses. Highly recommend, okay? Highly recommend. And it's like, it's really affordable. You guys know I like to use high-end products, but I also like to use affordable products because I know all my girls don't like to, you know, spend that major coin on products. I have some major goals for myself that I have to accomplish this year. It's just going to take a different side of myself in order to reach it because I know I'm capable of it just from like what I've done in the last since July. You guys know since July of this year I've been taking my channel really serious and it's actually been paying off. And I like to encourage you guys and stuff like that in the comment section. I mean, not in the comments, but I like to encourage you guys because I know how it is to just be feeling like you're out here solo dolo, you know what I'm saying, like just on your own. Anything that I can find that will be beneficial to you guys, I love to share that with y'all. Life is not easy. If y'all only knew, sis, half the obstacles that I've had to overcome, even while still posting 3 times a week on this channel. But I just want to show you guys that it's doable. You know what I'm saying? Anything that you have in mind, any goal that you want to reach, you can do it. Some people may get tired of being encouraged or maybe get tired of me saying these things. And if you are, girl, I'm sorry, but I have to keep my people going. You know what I'm saying? Because I want them to know, I want y'all to know that y'all can do this too. Okay. Believing in yourself, having confidence, and keeping yourself around people that are going to constantly elevate you, pour into you, and pour into yourself. You know what I'm saying? Before you can expect somebody else to pour into you, you have to pour into yourself. Okay. I'm letting that powder bake. I'm just going to go back around with that contour brush. I don't know what I'm gonna wear today because this is gonna be like a 3-in-1 get ready with me, and I haven't done a get ready with me in so long. Sis, where have I been? I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but I want to wear something cute, obviously. I'm taking my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder to set the rest of my face using a Morphe E51 brush. Highly recommend. Like, this brush is everything. It just packs the powder flawlessly into the skin, which I really do like. You guys know I prefer, I'm gonna get the Charlotte Tilbury powder too. That's something I want to get for my winter, to upgrade my winter looks. I want to get that powder because I feel like that's gonna add the finishing touches. Okay. So now let's move on to eyes. I'm going to go real light on the eyes. I'm just taking the excess concealer that I have on the back of my hand, and I'm just patting that in just to have something to stick, have the shadow to stick to. Take that powder, the sculpting powder in that kit, and I'm just going to use that as like a base eyeshadow. I love to do that. And I love to drag it into the brow. Something about dragging that product in your brow, girl, it's a game changer. It's a game changer. So I just like to do that first, and then I like to drag it onto the rest of my lid. Starving. And I've been trying to get on my fitness too. Like, it's so much stuff I want to do, y'all. You gotta get it together. I'm taking my NYX eyeshadow palette. Love this ultimate eyeshadow palette. Like, love this. NYX, hey girl. You know, I've been a fan. And I love this. And I really just love the two colors at the bottom. These two, they don't have names. I wish they had names so that I could tell you, but these two are top two. Top two and not number two. So that's gonna be the look. I think I've did this eyeshadow look before. I'm pretty sure I have. But if this is your first time watching me, this is perfect because now you get to see like my go-to like eyeshadow look, because your girl loves a natural glam. I just love it. I'm just taking this little powder brush that I have, and I'm gonna dust away the excess. I'm also gonna dust away that eyeshadow first. Taking a clean brush, and I'm just patting and also dusting away the excess powder. Next, we're gonna move on to blush. You guys know I am a blush mommy, okay? I love blush. This is an oldie but goodie. People say they don't sell Becca anymore, so I guess they don't sell it no more, girl. But you may be able to find this somewhere. This is the Becca Trio palette, and I'm just gonna use this for my blush. I've been a blush babe. I don't know what has gotten into me, but I just been loving blush lately. I'm gonna put my lashes on, come back, and then we're gonna close out the video. This winter makeup look, girl, easy. You can do this at the house. But yeah, I'll be right back, y'all. Put on my lashes. It's the same lashes that I've been wearing for quite a long time now. These lashes are from Leva Lashes, if you guys don't remember me talking about it. So yeah, they sent these over and I highly recommend. They are fire. So for lips, I'm gonna take my KKW Nude 2. Yeah, I'm running out and they don't have any new ones, and I'm just like, don't y'all know this is my favorite from the hair store? Okay, but I think I might use this as like a pink, because I use a lot of nudes. You guys know I'm a nude mommy. Like, nude. Forgot to tell you guys the name of this. This is in the shade Hugs and Kisses. This is the Nana Cocoa lip gloss from the beauty supply store. For perfume, I'm gonna use the Gucci Guilty perfume, and I'm just gonna spray it down. You know, I'm gonna spray it on me, put it on me. That's gonna be it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my winter makeup routine. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, show some love in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? This is your perfect time if you've just been sitting watching. Now it's time to subscribe because I am doing a giveaway. So if you want to enter, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you set your notifications. Follow me on Instagram. I'll be dropping a video on Sunday, and I'm gonna have all the details there. That will be the video for the giveaway, so that's where everybody will be commenting. I'm gonna remind you guys on Sunday. Yeah, that's it. I love you guys so much. Hopefully you enjoyed my winter makeup routine. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.